Hello guys, and welcome to our next video and lecture from this course entitled 5 ways to start an online home-based business. Now previously we have shown you how to start a digital products or services arbitrage business, and now I want to give you some live examples so you can see exactly how this works. Okay, now one of the platforms we have talked about in the previous video is Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the largest digital products or services marketplace in the world. Basically, it's a place where you can buy anything for $5. I mean, starting with $5. There are a lot of people who are making a lot of money here. Obviously, they are not selling only for $5, but that's the way to get started. Okay, so basically we have given you an example, okay, in the previous video regarding YouTube views, and you can see that I've searched here for YouTube views, and you can see that we have a lot of gigs regarding that. Okay, how to get YouTube views, how to grow organically your YouTube channel, and other things like that. And if you scroll down, okay, we can see people are selling all types of like 5,000 organic traffic from YouTube, 2,000 YouTube views plus 50 likes, okay, for $5. It was even more, I think. Okay, 1.4 million views, $20. And a lot of stuff like that. Okay, I will promote your YouTube with 1,000 views, 4,000 views, and 100 likes. Okay, a lot of things which are starting at $5, but some of them are 10, some of them are 15, and so on. Now, a website where you can find YouTube views, okay, so that you can buy cheap and sell here on Fiverr High, is SEO Clerks. So you can write this down, SEOclerk.com, and if we scroll down, okay, you can see that we have a lot of gigs, okay, or services for $5. But if we scroll down even more, we have things for $1, okay, gigs for $1 or for $4. Okay, so there is a price difference. For example, we can get like 400 YouTube 400 YouTube likes for $1. Okay, we can sell that on Fiverr easily for $5. Okay, deliver 41 YouTube customer, $1. Okay, we can easily sell that for $5. Then we get 109 YouTube channel subscribers. So channel subscribers for $1, we can sell this easily for $5 again. Okay, so a lot of services like this for $1 that we can sell on Fiverr for $5. Okay, then we have the services which are here at $5 that we probably can sell on Fiverr for $10 or $15. Okay, and all the time you earn from the price difference. Actually, you don't have to do anything. You just take an order from Fiverr. You order it here on SEO Clerks, you deliver to the client, and that's it. Okay, easy peasy, not hard at all. Another thing that you can do is go ahead and create a freelancer account on Upwork.com. Okay, for example, logo creation. Okay, we are looking for a freelancer who is into logo creation. And you can see here that people on Upwork, okay, freelancers on Upwork are paid with the hour, by the hour, okay, with $25. You can see how much they earned so far, the job success, and everything else, right? So what you can do, again, with logo creation, for example, you can create an account here, start with a smaller amount per hour, and you just order the logo creation from here from Fiverr. Let me just check logo creation. Okay, you can start for like $5, okay, or $10 if you want something like better, or $15 if you want something more professional. And you can easily sell it on Upwork. You create a freelancer account and you can sell a logo on Upwork, because it can take you at least 1 hour. Let's say that you start with $15 per hour, you can easily sell one logo with $25 here, okay, or something like that. So that is actually a cheap price for a logo on a freelancer website like Upwork. Okay, then there's freelancer.com, where you can, actually it doesn't work right now, but you got the idea. So you can go on freelancer.com. Again, it's a site for freelancers. You can create an account there. Then we have Warrior Forum, where there are a lot of internet marketers and they need different types of services like YouTube views, okay, followers, product creation and other things like that that you can sell to them. Okay, so basically this is the idea. As you can see, it's not hard at all to do digital products or services arbitrage. Another thing that you can do on Fiverr, for example, you can go ahead and buy private label rights products. So basically digital products, ebooks, courses and stuff like that that you can resell, and you can resell them here on Fiverr for $10, $15 or something like that. Okay, you can do that with images, you can do that with videos, you can do that with effects, with icons, with graphics, with absolutely everything you can think of. Okay, because basically a private label rights product, you can buy it for like maybe $10, and then you can sell it here multiple times. You can start with $5 and then grow the price or something like that. Okay, so this is another great business model, especially because you don't need to handle physical products. Even if in the dropshipping model you don't handle them, they are still physical products. They have low profit margins, and with digital services and products you have basically higher profit margins. Okay, now thank you very much for watching. We hope this was helpful for you, and we are looking forward to see you in the next video.